In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to very quickly create a test drive. From the home screen, click on the new test drive button. This will bring up the customer entry page where you can either manually enter the customer's details in the top left yourself or hand it to the customer and ask them to quickly fill out those details. Alternatively, you can use a business card scanner. To do this, simply click on the camera icon in the top right. This opens up the camera screen where you can take a photo of the business card. If these details are correct, simply press yes. If it has failed to upload the business card, you can click no. If some of the details are just a little bit incorrect, go ahead and click yes, and then go through and edit or update. Moving down to the middle of the screen where it says lead, this has defaulted to walk-in because I selected a new walk-in. Alternatively, this can be updated to other, email, walk-in or phone. Source and campaign can be completed now, or alternatively, if you are restricted on time, these can be completed later. But they are very, very important fields to ensure that you're getting quality return on your investment. And vehicle, this is very important because obviously you want to update which vehicle the customer is taking on a test drive. You can use the keyword search to search for the year, make, model, stock number, or alternatively you can scroll to search for the vehicle that the customer is going to take on a drive. And there's a field down the bottom for notes if applicable. Once you're happy with the customer entry page, press done in the top right corner. It does a customer dial up. If the customer already exists, it's going to tell you. It will also search for similar customers, but if you are creating a new customer from scratch, just go ahead and click the create button and then confirm that you want to go ahead. It now moves you straight through to the test drive form where you can click on the camera icon in that top right corner and take a photo of their driver's license. If necessary, you can take multiple photos of the driver's license, with the new driver's license expiry being on the back of the license. You'll see the customer's information has populated automatically from being completed on that previous customer entry page. In the top right, you can complete the license number, the version, the expiry, and the customer's date of birth. The duration of the test drive defaults to the time now, but you can change this very quickly and easily. And for the customer to view and sign your terms and conditions, simply tap on View and Sign. This brings up a copy of your terms and conditions. The customer signs, the sales consultant signs, and then press Accept. Again, there is another location for notes on this screen. Once you're happy, press Save. This will upload the images of both the driver's license and it also encodes and encrypts those signatures too. You'll see that there's a green on test drive banner on your lead, and that same banner will be on the listing in your inventory for the sales pipeline. To remove this, once the test drive is complete, be sure to go into the lead and go back into that test drive and very simply and easily tick at the top right that is now complete. And finally, it is important to remember to allocate the lead to yourself. This can be done from that plus symbol in the top right corner and down the very bottom, allocate lead. Under user, simply find the sales consultant who owns the lead and allocate it to them. Again, there is another area for notes if applicable. Hit done and that lead will be allocated to the appropriate salesperson who took the customer out on the test drive. If this iPad is solely being used for the test drive function, at the end of each day there should be no test drives or leads in this sales pipeline's dashboard. They should have all been allocated to the appropriate sales consultants for following up and eventually sale. And that's how you can quickly and easily create a test drive.